My name is Ariel Rodriguez. I am the founder and president of Worldwide Distributors. One of my favorite is Westgate. It's efficient. It's made to last. The return on the investment is very quick. One of the important parts of being able to partner up with Westgate was, hey, I'm building an office. What do you think? We'd love to help you out, Ariel, and they did so. So every panel that you see here, all the fixtures, all the lights that are around the facility or around our office is all by Westgate. We also have this billboard that changes on a daily basis. Any new product that comes in, it gets downloaded and it gets sent over here, so we see that all the time. When we go out and we visit facilities, we get called to come in and assess a certain situation, whether it be a parking garage, hallways, stairwells, and you're still using the PL lights, the PL fluorescent tubes. We're gonna take you over to a Westgate wall sconce fixture that's LED integrated, may consume 8, 10, 12 watts, it's color selectable. I mean, it's just the way to go. Welcome to one of our properties that we've installed Westgate products, Westgate wall sconces, emergency lights, and exit signs. You see that right there? That's the old Bell Light series. We're gonna be swapping those out for the DAB series. It's the Bell Light series that Westgate makes. Just building that relationship with Westgate has been something that we look forward to, continue the evolution and see what else comes out and is new and evolved. We appreciate the relationship and we look forward to growing and brighter days to come.
Westgate Manufacturing, America's most dependable lighting.